Hi everyone, my name's Andres. I am the Love Encore Delivery Specialist here at Flatirons Subaru in beautiful Boulder, Colorado. So in today's video, we will be covering how to set up your profile using the DriverFocus distraction mitigation system. Let's go ahead and hop in this Forester I have behind us and we'll go over all the features that DriverFocus has. So now that we're in the Forester, we're gonna go ahead and set up driver profile. We're gonna draw our attention to the steering wheel. The info button on the steering wheel is what we're looking at, and then we're also looking at our multimedia screen up here. We're gonna hit info until it prompts us to push and hold info to get into a submenu, which is where we're gonna set up the driver profile. And then we're gonna take the arrows next to the EyeSight button and go down to driver monitoring, use the EyeSight button as enter. And then we're gonna go down to register user. At this point, it's asking us to adjust our seat and mirror positions so that when the car recognizes our face, our seat and our mirrors are adjusted automatically to that profile. So seat and mirror is perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and hit set. Face forward until you hear a beep. That beep confirms that the car recognized your face. Now we're gonna go ahead and put in a username, so anything really works. We're gonna scroll down to set, hit enter, and now your driver profile is set up. If for whatever reason you do not want the DriverFocus on, you don't want it recognizing your face, you can turn that off by pushing this button down here, and that will turn off that system. The green eyeball on your display here will be turned off as well. If you have any video suggestions you'd like me to go over in the next videos, feel free to drop those suggestions in the comments below. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you guys next time.